Imagine this. You're at home, working comfortably on your laptop, organizing someone else's schedule, handling emails or booking appointments, all while earning a steady income. Virtual assistant services are a booming career option, allowing you to work remotely and help businesses or entrepreneurs manage their day-to-day tasks. If you're someone who's organized, tech-savvy, and enjoys multitasking, this could be your ideal freelancing gig. Stay tuned to learn how you can start offering virtual assistant services and land high-paying clients. A virtual assistant, or VA, provides remote support to businesses, entrepreneurs, or professionals. Here are some tasks you might handle as a VA: email management, organizing, responding to, and flagging important emails. Calendar scheduling, booking meetings, appointments, and reminders. Data entry, updating spreadsheets, databases, or customer information. Social media management, posting content and engaging with followers. Customer support, answering queries through email or chat. Travel arrangements, booking flights, hotels, or itineraries. Virtual assistants are versatile and tailor their services to meet clients' needs. Entrepreneurs and small businesses are busier than ever. Here's why VAs are highly sought after. Cost-effective. Hiring a remote assistant is cheaper than a full-time employee. Time-saving. VAs take over repetitive tasks, letting business owners focus on growth. Flexibility. VAs can work part-time, full-time, or on an as-needed basis. This makes virtual assistant services an essential and growing field in the freelance market. To excel as a virtual assistant, you'll need these skills. 1. Communication. Strong written and verbal skills are a must. 2. Time management. Juggling multiple tasks efficiently is key. 3. Tech proficiency. Know how to use tools like Google Workspace, Zoom, and project management apps like Trello or Asana. 4. Problem solving. Anticipate issues and provide solutions proactively. 5. Attention to detail. Clients rely on you to catch mistakes and keep things running smoothly. If you're a beginner, don't worry. Most of these skills can be learned through online courses and practice. You don't need a fancy setup to become a virtual assistant. Here's what you'll need. Reliable laptop or PC for multitasking and communication. Fast internet connection ensures seamless video calls and file sharing. Project management tools, apps like Trello, Asana, or ClickUp. Communication platforms, Slack, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams for client interaction. Payment tools, PayPal, Wise, or other platforms to receive payments. These basic tools are enough to start your VA journey. Here's how to kickstart your career as a virtual assistant. 1. Identify your niche. Decide what services you want to offer, like social media management, data entry, or customer support. 2. Build a portfolio. Create sample work or take up small projects to showcase your skills. 3. Create an online presence. Use platforms like LinkedIn to highlight your services and connect with potential clients. 4. Sign up on freelance platforms. Join Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer to find clients. 5. Pitch your services. Reach out to businesses or entrepreneurs directly through email or social media. Starting small and gradually expanding your client base is the key to success. Finding clients is crucial. Here's where to look. Freelancing platforms. Create a profile on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Job boards. Websites like Remote.co and FlexJobs often list VA positions. Networking. Join LinkedIn groups or local business communities. Cold outreach. Email small businesses or startups with a tailored pitch. Referrals. Ask satisfied clients to recommend you to others. Consistency and persistence in applying for gigs will pay off. How much can you earn as a virtual assistant? Earnings depend on your skills and the tasks you handle. Beginner VAs can earn around $10 to $20 per hour. Experienced VAs might make between $25 to $50 per hour. For specialized VA services like bookkeeping or social media strategy, you could earn $60 or more per hour. You can also offer monthly packages ranging from $500 to $2,000, depending on the client's requirements. Common challenges and how to overcome them. One common challenge is overlapping deadlines. The solution? Use a planner or project management tool to organize tasks. Another challenge is dealing with difficult clients. To overcome this, set clear boundaries and communicate expectations up front. And if you're facing a lack of clients, improve your online presence and pitch more actively. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and improve your services. Scaling your virtual assistant business. Once you have steady clients, you can grow your business by specializing in high-paying services, like bookkeeping or project management. Build a team by outsourcing smaller tasks and manage a group of assistants. Creating retainer packages can also help. Offer long-term contracts for consistent income. Scaling your business allows you to earn more while working smarter. Becoming a virtual assistant isn't just a job, it's a pathway to freedom, flexibility, and financial independence. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a career change, Virginia Services offer endless opportunities. Want to explore more freelancing ideas? Click on the video link on the screen to discover high-income freelancing opportunities. Your journey to success starts now.